What is this? If Naya, baby. So you are not serious. So I asked Sophie to wash plates. You are here sleeping. Aya, go outside and go and lay down. Go ahead! Go outside and go and lay down. Baby, see, I don't want to see those your eyes though. If I see your eyes, I will plug them for you. Close it.
Auntie, but if I close my eyes, I will not be able to see you.
That is it. I don't want you to see me, so close it. Close your eyes.
Don't be so now. Don't be so. See, ma tell you, I don't support this thing where they do this Oga Pikins them.
Listen, calm down. Do this thing where they do Oga Pikin. I'm not. Wait till you support. No, tell me, wait till you don't support before. See, if you no comot your mouth for this thing, if you no comot your mouth, you see, and this one, final lock up. Huh? You will not get anything again.
Bless, it never reach like this. I beg, no verse, na slip of teeth. Yeah, no verse. How are you children?
Welcome, sir.
Yeah.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Is your madam back?
No, she's not.
Oh, okay. Why are you ladies looking so pale and thin? Obviously, you've not been feeding very well.
Sir, no, they feed very well. You know how they behave. If Naya and Muna, when you tell them to come and eat, they're always watching Cartoon Network all the time.
I know my daughters with cartoon. But it's okay, Daddy's back now, alright? And I have a lot of goodies that will make you feed well and look so healthy.
Yay! Dad, I hope you spend more time with us.
Of course, I am here for you, darling. I'm back for you. As a matter of fact, I am taking you ladies out for lunch right away.
Yay! Daddy, carry me.
I will. Alright, let's go.
Hey, if I buy something for you, should I buy something?
Why are you girls eating your food so hungrily?
It's Auntie Blessing.
Blessing, make sure you take very good care of them for me, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And you can have this. Just take all.
Okay.
Get foodstuffs for them, okay? Take very good care of them. Okay. I do not want stories. And do not always forget to tell them that mommy loves them.
Mommy, where are you going? Please, don't go.
Okay, darling, you see, mommy has to go. Because I'm running late already. Okay, please. Okay, let me have some money. You can have this. One for you, one for your sister.
No, Mommy, I want you, no candy.
See, I understand that you want mommy. Okay, I promise. I'll spend time with you next weekend. It's a promise, okay? Okay, you know mommy loves you. Tell mommy I love you. Thank you. Mwah! Here, take care of the kids, okay?
Please come with Mom and Dad. I still want to sleep.
I know, but let's go and know if Mom and Dad are back.
Okay.
Again. When will Mom and Dad ever have time for us?
Mom, open this door. Where are you?
It's okay, Muna. Let's go. Mom and Dad have left for work already.
No, I want to see my mom.
It's okay now.
What is this? What is happening here?
I want to see my
Madam, go and rest. What is it? You don't look like a mother. You want to see your mom, you want to see your mom. That's why two of you are making noise. If I hear pim from two of you again, I will slap you front and back. Oh yeah! Move and go and wash those plates in the kitchen. You want to see your mom. People will get involved. Oh yeah, two of you. Are you seeing all this place? Move. Are you seeing all this place here? Eh? Are you seeing it? Make sure you wash it very well. If you like be shining your eye looking at me like a lost puppy, don't wash this place.
But if my mom is here, she will not allow us to wash.
Keep your mouth shut. If your mom is here, she will not allow you to wash plate. Don't you know that your mates are married? If your mom is here, she will not allow you to wash plate. Say so.
I hate you.
Are you seeing your head? See, if you try this rubbish with me, I will look for Cain and cane you very well. And if I hear ping from you when your mother comes back, I will kill two of you and kill your mother. Let me come back here in this place. I'm not here to wash you. See what I will do to you. And when you're done, come and wake me up because I need to rest very well. Then I will cook for two of you. What is this? If Naya, baby, so you are not serious. So I asked Sophie to wash plates. You are here sleeping. Aya, go outside and go and lay down. Go ahead! Go outside and go and lay down. Baby, see, I don't want to see those your eyes though. If I see your eyes, I will plug them for you. Close it.
Auntie, but if I close my eyes, I will not be able to see you.
That is it. I don't want you to see me, so close it. Come on, close your eyes.
Don't be so now. Don't be so. See, ma tell you, I don't support this thing where they do this Oga Pikins them.
Listen, calm down. Do this thing where they do Oga Pikin. I'm not. Wait till you support. No, tell me, what you don't support before? See, if you no comot your mouth for this thing, if you no comot your mouth, you see, and this one, final lockup.
Huh?
You will not get anything again.
Bless, it never reach like this. I beg, no verse, na slip of teeth. Yeah, no verse. But wetin I talk be say, these children, they still be babies. Pity them. They still be small children.
You still dey hear they talk? No, you still dey hear they talk. Even food and all the benefits where you don't enjoy, you know they get anyone you no go get anyone again from me. Advocate, you dey advocate for them.
I beg, a blessing. Calm down now. We know they fight, we know they quarrel. It never reach like this. See, anything where you want do them, carry them, do them. My hand don't come out. I beg. Anything at all where you want do them, do them. Not me burn them, not be me burn them.
Then raise your hand now. Raise your hand.
Which can't be this one now? In fact, I don't cry again. Oga, can't cry your cry. After all, now your fault. Now you leave your children and come out. Now this week, don't maltreat them anyhow. I don't cry again. Now I don't go enjoy myself. Oh. Hi. Wait.
That's your food. Eat.
Auntie, it's too early to eat swallow. You normally drink tea in the morning.
Me, I don't like swallow. It's too strong for my tummy.
Why not keep quiet? Who told you? You don't like swallow, it's too strong for your tummy. See, let me tell you, your mates in the village will be very happy if they see something like this. And you are seeing it, it's strong for you. Who told you it's strong for your tummy? Eat that food, I beg, let me hear something. Eat the food! Oh, you don't want to eat it?
Auntie, we are going to eat it. We are going to eat it. Nina, let's try.
Eat the food and stop looking at me!
No, I will not eat this food.
Look at it. Tolo.
Give your children
Open and start it.
don't let them go astray.
Open! Eat.
Give your children all the time they need. Don't let them go astray with a stranger.
Cut food like a human being.
You don't have time for your kids. You don't know what they do when you're gone. You care much for your career. You care less for them.
Yes, hello. See, now me be the security officer. The only officer where government they recognize for Nigeria. Yes. Oh, but no worry, I will call you back. Okay, thank you.
I have come.
Yes.
The only man that gives me joy. I come and eat your food. I brought your food so that you will eat very well and be able to work on me.
Hey, this guy, you too sweet. See, ma, I tell you, you are the only sugar in my tea. Yes, and as I see you like this, you don't sweet, so the sugar can't dey inside the tea already. See, they feed me well. Look at the chop. Get strength. When I go take the hammer, you they work on you. See, in fact, this time we are taking this ministry to another level.
Okay, fine. So see what you go do. Just eat. Once you eat finish, call me. I go come.
Bule. Are you sure?
him then.
Bula Bula. Bula, I go do you something.
Do am well.
I go do you
just
something.
If you eat finish, you call me.
Bula, come. Bula, how far are those Oga children? You don't give them food. Hope you treat them fine.
You dey mad, Okon? Wetin concern you for Oga children business? Wetin concern you there? Okay, because I give you food, Abi. In short, ma, come here.
No, calm down.
Leave me.
Bula.
I know they follow you, joke.
Person no fit play with you again.
Which kind play with that? No play that kind play with me.
Bula, calm down. You to the best. Forget that thing. Yeah? Hey, see Shenkes. Hey, Bula, go do you something. If I finish do you something, you go know say that dog meat when I dey chop no be play. Bula. Hey, see Shenkes. Hey! Yes.
Auntie, we are here. We have not eaten since morning.
Auntie, you're faint to give me small now.
Faint now. I made a bar for two of you to eat. You refuse to eat the food. See, you will not eat anything until you finish that bar.
Auntie, the food is cold. I can't eat it.
How is it my business? How? If the food is cold, you can't want me to now and stop disturbing my life. The food is cold, you can't eat it. Think it's only your parents that know how to be wicked.
What you are doing is not good. We are no longer afraid of you. I'm going to report to my mom when she comes back. Mona, let's go.
Tell your great grandfather too.
Mona, we are going to report to our mom and dad everything that will be happening in this house. We don't need another nanny again.
Yes, Ifo, but I'm scared Auntie Bless you will beat us.
Don't worry, I will be the one to report. You don't have to worry yourself.
My tummy is biting me.
Sorry.
Please, I need sleeping tablets. You know, taking care of these two adorable children is not easy. I need to sleep well.
Don't worry, I understand your situation. See, very soon God will reward you.
Amen. Let me see. Once I finish taking this phone with them, and you still remember what happened today to come and put me back to tell your mother. Let me see. Mina. Naya. Mina, look at me now. Naya. Mina, auntie is very sorry now. Please.
We are going to tell our mommy this time, and you know she will be back soon, so we are waiting for her. Yes, we must tell. You have to leave. You are no longer our friend. Leave our room.
I'm sorry now. Auntie is very sorry. Yeah, I'm very sorry. That's why I went to buy you people these things so that you will eat. I know that I'm very sorry. Please, I'm sorry. I will cry. I'm very sorry now. Thank you. Since you don't want to take now, let me go with what I bought. No problem.
Auntie, wait. Una, stop.
Mama. It's okay now. So take your son, okay? That's why I told you this things for you. Take. Okay. Yeah, if you finish, let me go and get more juice, okay?
Oh. Thank you so much, Blessing. God will bless you. What would I have done without you? Thank you.
It's nothing. That's what I'm here to do now.
Mommy.
How are you, my darling?
Mommy! I hope you are not leaving us here again. Okay, Mommy, we want to spend today with you. What of Daddy?
Daddy traveled. Okay, listen, girls. I can understand that Mommy has been busy due to my schedules. But I promise to spend time with you next weekend. Please.
But Mommy, that is what you always say. Every time you leave us and abandon us in the mercy of Auntie Blessing. Wicked Auntie Blessing.
Wait, what did you...
What the if Naya? What are you doing? Come now. You don't want to watch cartoon, eh? Why now? Okay, see, mommy is getting ready to go to work, and I know you don't want mommy to be late for work, and you two need to freshen up so that it'll be sweet for mommy, right?
That's true.
We don't want to stay with you. We want to stay with our mommy.
I know, Ifu. I know you miss your mommy so much, but see what will happen, eh? I will plead with mommy to spend this weekend with us, and I know mommy will agree, right, mommy?
I promise.
But Mommy...
It's okay, don't worry.
Just go freshen up, go with Blessing, and
yes, come.
Okay?
Come so that we'll go and freshen up.
Have you?
About it. Bye. Tell mommy bye now.
Bye. Let's take this money.
Come. Money? Money?
Make sure you get anything that the kids want, okay?
Okay.
Take care of the house.
Alright.
Alright, I'll be right back soon.
Okay. Bye-bye, ma.
Give your children all the time they need. Don't let them go astray with a stranger. Give your children all the time they need. Don't let them go astray with a stranger.
Go give my share. Oh yeah, give my share. Are you deaf? I said give me my own share of money. What means something wrong with you? Hey! Come, blessing.
What is wrong with you? Give your own share of what? Eh? You even had just come and lay your hands on me, give me your own share of money. You stupid money.
Come. You get my push me for ground. Eh? You get my... See, I swear to you, I must deal with you. See, now because I dey keep quiet for you, Abi. Because I don't dey keep quiet for you. No worry. You go see. No worry. Come. But this guy push me for mine, for ground. You get mine, push me for ground. They want me. The whole security officer of this street, where they say, government said they recognize me. You get mine, push me for ground. No worry. You go see. Rubbish.
Close your eyes. Auntie, we want to watch cartoons.
Shut up. Watch this one. This one is love movie and it's very interesting.
We don't like what they are doing.
What do you know they are doing?
Auntie, what are they doing? They are doing party. Come, let's go.
If you step an inch from that place, if I use the slippers and slap both of you. Oh, so that it will look like Blessing did not allow us to watch television, Abi. Watch it. Because very soon two of you become women. Do you hear me? So that you know how to do your own. Watch it so you will learn. Watch.
Come on, let's go.
See, you are trying me, Abi. You are trying me. Watch.
Move your hand from my eyes. Move your hand. Yeah, you. Put your head. Watch TV. Watch it. Put your head and watch. Let me see two of you move from this place. Let me use this slippers now and break your head.
My sweet angel. Bule, come now. Come. Bule. That is fine, like mommy water.
Why you they call me? Why you they call me?
I want to tell you something. I want to advise you.
You won't advise me?
Yes.
Hey.
You know, say it's my person. You know, be another person. Not my person.
Okon.
Yes.
So now you, Okon, they advise me.
We're not there too for here now. You know, say be my person. No, now make I just say make I advise
If I slap your head, now they know say I'm wicked.
Calm down, Joe. See, what's I want to tell you be say, you see the way they take the maltreat oga pikins them. Take am jeje with them, oh. They treat them fine now, for God's sake. They carry you come this house so that you go to treat everybody fine. Okay, ma ask you, what if oga finds out that you're maltreating those kids? How do you think he's going to feel? You might end up seeing yourself in Kirikiri prison, oh. I tell you the truth. They carry you, make you come this house, come they treat everybody fine. Treat all, we go they happy now as one family, you know. And you will be my baby, you go they. You understand now? Hey.
I found that I go fire that your head.
Bule, you don't they go? Hi, Bule. Hey, she shankes. Bule. Hey. You see now on top of your matter, all my salary go finish. Hey! On top of this your shankes, I swear I go spend my last card. Bule! Hi! Bule, don't kill me, oh. For your case, yo! Le. For your case, yo! Le. Bule.
Baby, you're the one at the gate.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Very okay.
Okay. I brought you food stuff.
Oh, baby. But you know I still have enough from the last one you brought.
I know. You know I need you to feed well for me. I love you so much.
I love you too.
And I brought you some money too. Your pocket money, so you can use it to sustain yourself.
For me?
Yes.
Seriously, you didn't have to. It's too much.
No, just take it.
I'm falling in love with you all over and over again.
Hey, don't fall you falling.
Why do you mean my sister?
I don't mind. Am I your maid? So you don't have respect again, Abi?
Don't go, I'll go to my mommy. Let's go.
Tell your parents. If you want to put your hand inside my food, don't fire you. Fire your parents.
Come. If I am baby. What's going to do for you?
We are hungry. Auntie Blessing won't give us food. Every time she will serve us for food. I hate food. I want to eat rice.
Why not report to your mommy when she comes back?
She will kill us.
Why?
My mom is not always around.
Okay. Chai! This girl. God forbid. Now there have been a human being, she be safe. Oh yeah, Mona, no worry. Mona, follow me. I will give you something. Mona, chop. Yeah? Yeah? Follow me, man. Give you something. Mona, chop. Yeah? Yeah? Good girls. No cry again. Yeah? Give you something. Chop. Baby, and if not, take. Mona, go inside, go chop.
Let's stay here and eat it.
Why?
Because if Auntie Blessing catches us, she will punish us.
Yes. Oh yeah. Eat fast, so that she will not catch you, yeah?
Thank you.
Oh yeah, start eating, eat. Mona, chop. Chop fast. Or do you want your auntie to come and catch you? Mona, chop fast, yeah? You like it? Mona, chop. Fast. How are you children?
Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Is your madam back?
No, she's not.
Oh, okay. Why are you ladies looking so pale and thin? Obviously, you've not been feeding very well.
Sir, no. They feed very well. You know how they behave, if Naya and Muna. When you tell them to come and eat, they're always watching Cartoon Network all the time.
I know my daughters with cartoon. But it's okay. That is back now, all right? And I have a lot of goodies that will make you feed well and look so healthy.
Yay! Dad, I hope you spend more time with us.
Of course, I am here for you, darling. I'm back for you. As a matter of fact, I am taking you ladies out for lunch right away.
Yay!
I will. All right, let's go, baby.
Hey, if I buy something for you, you buy something. Bye-bye.
Sit down.
Okay.
Why are you girls eating your food so hungrily?
It's Auntie Blessing, say.
What?
Mona, this is not the right time to tell Daddy. Let's enjoy our meal. Or do you want Auntie Blessing to beat us when Mom and Dad now around? Good, eat your meal.
Alright, okay. Sorry, darling, I took a call. You were trying to tell me something.
Nothing, Dad. No, Daddy. She only wants you to buy ice cream for Auntie Blessing.
Is that?
Yes, Dad.
It's not a problem. Just eat your food, okay? I will buy ice cream.
Oh, hi there.
Yeah, hi. There's something I want to tell you.
Really?
I'm suspecting that this our nanny is not taking good care of her kids. Yeah, because they were not looking fine when I came in today. And what surprised me most was the way they were devouring the food I bought for them.
Babe, I think you're just worried over nothing. Yes, because the nanny has been doing a good job. She has been taking very good care of our kids. Babe, if I lose this nanny, that means I have to quit my job to take care of them. And you know I'm not ready to do that. Except you are willing to.
Well, I don't understand what you're saying. Like, we're saying that our kids are malnourished and you're talking about your job? You even went on a limb to say I'm worrying over nothing? See, if this continues, somebody has to stay at home to take care of these kids, and that has to be you.
It has to be you, Annie, not me. Yes? What is all this? I can't have a stressful day at work, then come back to a nagging husband. I cannot. I knew all this discussion and arguments were heading towards my career. When I am sorry to disappoint you, I will not let you enslave me anymore.
Will you shut up? How dare you? We're talking about our children and you have the guts to talk about one silly career? Now you call taking care of your own children slavery? Are you out of your mind?
Wait! Phil! Did you just call my career silly?
Is that more important than your children? Well, I can't believe we're going through this.
Well, it is your own career that is silly. Your career is crap! Your career is full of bullshit!
Obviously, you had a stressful day at office. Very obvious.
Oh, now you're going out.
I need to be.
Better for you, go out. Do not come back to this room again, no. Want me to quit my job and go and take care of your kids? Do act like your slave. After your mates quit their job, stay in the house, take care of the kids while their wife go for hustling. Rubbish. Oh shit! Forgot. Oh damn it! Oh, I'm late already. Oh. Oh why? I've forgotten this document and it's so important to me right now. Oh shit. Oh, damn. Did I forget this document?
The future generation will learn today. This world that will give tomorrow. They watch your footsteps every time. Dance to the sound they hear. No correction leads to destruction, corruption. Give your children all the time they need. Don't let them go astray with a stranger. Give your children all the time they need. Don't let them go astray with a stranger. A stranger you leave your child with is not a mother, nor your sister. You not expect much from her. It's what she has, that's what she is.
What are you doing?
I'm washing the plate.
And why are you washing the plate?
Hey.
Where is Leslie?
What? This Ifunanya girl, you will not kiss somebody, you. This Ifunanya girl, you will not kiss somebody, madam. This girl will not kiss somebody. You've not seen anything. She's really turning into a woman. Every time she wants to follow me and do the house chores. Auntie, I want to follow you and wash plate. I want to follow you and sweep there. Even when I tell her to leave, she will not agree. Eh, I've told you now. Oh yeah, you've tried. Go and meet Mona.
Come. Listen, you don't have any business in the kitchen until you grow up. Do I make myself clear? What you owe mommy is studying your books, read well, and make mommy and daddy proud. Okay? Now go to the parlor. Go and study.
Hey,
Please do not allow her to do this next time.
Mama, I don't allow her to do this. It's just her now. Oh,
Give your children all the time they need.
this is so. I don't know if you can come back with something.
Give your children all the time they need. Don't let them go astray with a stranger.
Oh, what call you what I be? Because I call you cold one. Because I called you cold one. Wait, let me get hot one.
You came before your
Punish!
Punish you, we get it. Punish you there.
Stand there. Black shit. This one should go back. I'm not going to wash this dish. I'm going to wash it. I'm wash it to collect in the house. Hello? Which money again now? Which money? But I just gave you some money. Okay. Let me just see what I can do. I'm going to get money from not to start giving you again. Okon! Okon! Okon!
Who be that mad person when they knock for my door? Who you be? Oh, now you.
Nanny.
What's happen?
Okon.
What's happen? How I go take help you? See, ma, I tell you, just tell me what you want. Tell me, nah. I know happy side they see your face.
Okon, why they call me names now? Wetin I do? Wetin I do you?
Oh, you don't know what you do me. You don't know what you do me. Okay, ma, I tell you. Shebi na because say I tell you say make you know they maltreat these oga small children anyhow. You vex. Go get yourself new boyfriend. You know they even give me food again. See, ma, I tell you, I dey vex for you, seriously.
Na the problem with that.
Yes, na the problem. If you don't know, na the problem. Na the problem.
Okay. Okon, see, from now, I go dey give you food. I go dey give you food, you go dey chop well, and every other thing I go dey do you well. Then, see, this one and this one. Open heaven, Okon. Just dey go. Yes. But, Okon, I need small money.
Money?
Yes, just small money.
Hi. Okon, you for no sins. I do like this. Do like this. Clean them. You don't clean them. Confirm. You don't clean them. You don't see Mugu na Abi? Abi you like Mugu? So now because say you need money, now you can't dey pretend. They act like one can saint, like one can better person. Okon, and this one, open have. Carry yourself, go meet that your boyfriend, make him give you money. Rubbish.
Oh, shut up! So because I bring myself down to make I come beg you for something, now you talk anyhow, Abi? Frustrated man like you even get your time.
Woo! No, come back. Oh, now you dey shake shankers for Abi. You dey shake shankers for me.
Don't worry, my boyfriend go kill you.
Go make your boyfriend meet you. I no be Mugu again. I no be Mugu. You don't fit chop me Mugu again. You don't fit chop me Mugu. See, and this one, open heaven. You don't see Mugu now. Rubbish human being.
Madam, you get wetin I wan tell you, abeg no vex.
I'm listening, hurry up.
Madam.
Okon, go straight to the point, I do not have time.
Hi, yes ma. Madam, I wan tell you say this your car, e fine well. Yes ma.
Okon,
Ma?
has anyone ever told you that you have the attributes of a stupid man?
Oh, stupid, yes. Yes ma. My papa, they tell me from village.
Shut up! Is it a hereditary disease or a generational disease? Are you insane?
All of them follow.
The next time you will stop me, I will give you a sound slap. Twat. Open the gate!
Thank you, ma. Hey! My madam, oh! Hey! Bye-bye. Madam, please, drive safe. Drive safe. Thank you.
See, I'm warning you in this house, Okon. I'm warning you. I'm warning you.
Come, you this small girl. So now you make me cut liver. Hi. This thing I don't even tell madam finish. Why I not tell am again? I don't almost tell am finish. I can't cut. Don't worry, I must tell madam. We shall see. Not before this compound again. Which? Woo!
See, you see where you this drawer. Go and check if there's money in it.
But auntie is stealing.
What is stealing? See, it's not stealing. Just check if there's money in it and bring it. I'm not stealing the money.
You see your money. If it's your own, go and check it now.
Shut up! Do what I asked you to do. Come on, go inside and go and bring it. Just 3,000. It's not even enough.
direction. What I learned today is what I will give you tomorrow. They watch your footstep every time, dance to the sound they hear. No correction leads to destruction, corruption. Give your children all the time they need. Don't let them go astray.
Grace! Grace!
Give your children all the time they need.
Who took the money I kept saying?
I don't understand.
What don't you understand? Who took the money I kept here?
If I did not touch your money, maybe you should look for it very well.
How do you mean? Am I blind? I've said it's not here.
What? Why are you looking at me? Like, are you suspecting me?
Did I say that? I'm just asking you.
How much are we even talking about?
3,000 naira.
Phil, so you meant you wanted to bring down the whole house because of a mere chicken change? 3,000 naira!
Will you shut up? What's wrong with you? I left 3,000 naira here and it got lost right under my nose. And you expect me to let it pass just like that? Just because the woman of the house is such a workaholic that she has abandoned her family and her role as a mother and a wife.
Hey, Phil, I will not take this from you. Not at all. What is all this now? What has my career got to do with your missing money? Why is it that any little issue we have in this family, it has to be hinted towards my career? Why?
Are you stupid? Are you mad? Oh, I don't blame you. No, I don't blame. I blame myself because I gave you freedom. Oh yes! What do you do in this house? Nothing! Nothing. You don't take care of your children. You don't cook for me. You leave everything in the hands of the nanny. You don't even know what happens behind you just because you're stupidly busy with your stupid career.
Well, you know what, Phil? I think I know what your problem is. Today, I have found out what your issue is. You are just merely jealous of my career. Yes, perhaps because I am even better than you.
Oh, you think so?
Yes! If you do not like the way I'm running this family, if you're not comfortable with the way I'm running my house, you can as well quit your job. Apply to become my nanny. I will accept you.
Will you shut up? Shut up! Shut up before I beat you blue and black. Are you stupid? What's wrong with you? Are you possessed? Have you gone mad?
Phil, I am not possessed. In fact, I am not mad. You are the one who has gone bananas because of a mere 3,000 naira.
If you dare talk to me that way again, if you try it, I will beat you blue and black.
Phil, today you will beat me red and yellow. Beat me! Beat me!
Grace,
Touch me!
Grace, you are daring me.
I am daring you. Touch me!
Grace, you are daring me.
Mr. Family Man, touch me!
Grace, you're daring me.
Touch me!
You're daring me, Grace. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
Phil, did you just lay those filthy hands of yours on me? Wait, you pushed me. But I am leaving this house for you with my kids. You can have your house to yourself. Huh?
Mommy, what of Daddy?
What do you mean by what of Daddy? Did you not see how your dad beat me up? Do you want your daddy to kill me? Is that what you want? Now, shut up and enter the car. Let's go!
Hey, madam, please now.
Bless you, do not piss me off.
Oh God. Oh God, please now. Eh, please come and beg madam, oh God. Beg madam now,
terrible. This is terrible. Come, women get wahala. Okay, where you go? Okay? Oh, you come do something, oh. Do something before Konji go finish you. Konji! Hey. Well, no need, because even when Madam dey, Konji dey always disturb you. So this one no be new thing. But come, Oga Konji. Konji! Hey! What you go call this one now? Waka waka husband and wife are waiting. Eh? Hi! Oga, sorry. Make I cry or cry. Yeah? Hi! Make I cry or cry. He pay me. He pay me, but I don't do anything, Oga. Are you see the way she come? Who you want to get? You better come. Oga, I can't go inside. Okay. What's in my own? Sit down and watch. By two.
Hi. Is this Mr. Newman's residence?
Yes, sir.
My name is Sam. I am a Funanya's teacher.
Oh, okay.
I have come to see Mr. and Mrs. Newman. Are they around?
No, they are not around.
Please, if they come back, tell them to contact me.
Okay.
Yeah. I have to go now.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Sir?
Nobody, sir. I thought I heard somebody's voice.
No, sir. I was just...
Honestly, I'm so ashamed of myself. Like, I'm really sorry. Like, very sorry for all the harsh words I used on you. Please forgive me. I withdraw all of them right now. I'm sincerely sorry. And I want to thank you for coming back.
I forgive you, babe. And I am very sorry too. Please forgive me.
It's okay. Of course, you shouldn't be asking me for forgiveness. It was all my fault. I'm sincerely sorry.
I forgive you.
make we do faster. So I go take you to altar. You know I love you, love you, love you, girl. I'm not gonna joke with you. I wanna be with you. You are the best among the rest. Even if they put me to test, I go still choose you, choose you, choose you, choose you, girl. I love you, girl. Oh, you wine, I'm girl. Oh, you shake, I'm girl. Oh, you roll, I'm girl. Wine him, you shake him. Oh, you wine, I'm girl. Oh, you shake, I'm girl. Oh, you roll, I'm girl. Wine him, you shake him. I'm in love with you, girl. You did take me over the moon. Hey, I would die for you, girl. You did always put me in the mood. Hey, I'm in love with you, girl. You did take me over the moon. Hey, I would die for you, girl. You did always put me in the mood. Hey, I'm in love with you, girl. You did take me over the moon. Hey.
I don't like this station. I want to watch cartoon. Give me, let's watch this one. Auntie Blessing likes it. I don't like what you are doing. I want to watch cartoon. Give me the remote. Mona, I'll beat you. I'm your senior.
What is that? What did you hit your sister? What's wrong with you?
She disrespecting me. She don't want me to watch it.
Is that enough reason for you to slap your younger sister? Who taught you that? When did you learn to be violent and hostile to your younger sister? I'm asking you, Ifnaya.
But you still beat mommy when she insults you.
Will you shut up your mouth? Shut up your mouth! Ifnaya! Come back here, Ifnaya! There's something I want us to talk about.
Can we talk about it some other time? Must we talk about it now? I'm very tired.
No, we must talk about it now. It's very important. I mean, it's very crucial.
I'm listening.
Good. I don't think our children are getting fair treatment from both us and the nanny. Oh, yes. Have you had a chat with Ifnaya of late? You will see that that girl is growing more stubborn every day and violent. I mean, this is not the child I gave birth to.
Babe, they are kids. And trust me, they will learn with time.
Is that all you have to say? That your children are going astray and this is all you have to say? I am disappointed in you.
Really?
Oh, yes.
Oh, what are you expecting me to say? Were you expecting me to judge them?
You don't have to judge them, but you can correct them. Oh, yes. See, we need to start teaching those children the right thing and on time. Oh, yes. Not leaving them in the hands of a total stranger, all in the name of a nanny. See, kids are meant to learn from their parents. I mean, with direct... What? Oh my word, how does that go? Hi, sweetheart. How are you?
Fine.
You guys are playing?
Yes.
How are you, Ifnaya? You're good?
Yes.
I want to ask you something. Is anything bothering you? Like, who is teaching you how to be violent?
Daddy, it is.
Is what?
Nobody, Dad.
Your food is ready, sir.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Oh, it's okay. I'll be there.
Oh, okay, sir.
All right. Tell me.
Daddy, nobody. We need you and mommy present more. Daddy, do you still love me?
Of course, you know I love you, darling. I love you, sweetheart. See, your mommy and I are doing everything possible to make sure that we are the best parents. Okay? But don't worry. We'll be making out more time to stay with you now. Alright? Good.
I feel bad when my classmates talk about how they spend time with their parents, but we spend ours with our nanny. Muna and I miss you every day. We need more of your attention instead of just toy and gifts.
It's okay, darling. It's okay. Stop complaining, okay? I've heard you, and I will do something about it as quick and as fast as possible. Okay?
They watch you
I love you so much.
every time. Dance to the sound they hear.
Come on, smile. Okay, I'll have to go and eat my food now. I'm really hungry. Okay. You stay well?
Mrs. Newman.
Yes?
Good afternoon, ma.
Do I know you?
I am Ifunanya's classroom teacher.
Oh, so I'm so sorry. Nice meeting you.
Thank you.
Okay, but how is your family and everyone?
We are fine. What of Ifunanya and her sister?
They are very well.
Ma, there is something I would like to discuss with you. It's very important, please.
Like it has to be right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Can't you reschedule about it? Because I am really running late to get some things from the supermarket and I have a client waiting for me. Let's talk about this. Okay, I'll give you a call. Please, please.
Mommy. Mommy, please help us and do our assignment.
Just go and meet Blessing. She will do your assignment for you, please. I'm very tired. Can't you see? Mommy's tired. Just go. Close the door behind you. Mona. Ifraya. Blessing. Blessing. Come. Get up. Take this. Take them to their room. Make sure they do their assignments. Answer their questions correctly. My kids are very intelligent. They're not dumb. Okay? Let's go and do it. Go. Yeah? Okay? God bless you.
Give your children all the time they need you. Don't allow them go astray, leave a stranger.
Auntie, I want to rub lipstick so I can look more beautiful like you.
You can only do that when you have a boyfriend.
A boyfriend? Why?
Because your boyfriend is the only person that can make you feel beautiful and appreciate you.
But Dad and Mom appreciate us. They say we are pretty girls.
See,
It's a lie. Dad, he only said that because you people are their children. It's only your boyfriend that can appreciate you and tell you that you're beautiful.
So you're applying all this makeup for him to appreciate you and tell you that you look beautiful?
Yes.
Auntie, are you going out to meet your boyfriend?
Yes, I'm going out to meet my boyfriend. See, enough of the boyfriend thing. When you girls come of age, you will know more about love, okay?
Auntie, I need a boyfriend. Where can I get one from? Me too, I need a boyfriend.
Hey, okay, see. You can get a boyfriend anywhere. You can get a boyfriend in your class. You can get a boyfriend in church. And you can get a boyfriend even when you go out with mommy and daddy. Once he asks you out and you agree, automatically you two have become boyfriend and girlfriend. So relax till he asks you out.
Auntie, can I kiss a boy just like they do in the movie?
Yes. See, I kiss my boyfriend all the time. Anytime I see my boyfriend, I will kiss him.
Wow, how does it feel to kiss a boy? I want to kiss a boy too.
Hey, it tastes like candy. Especially if your boyfriend is handsome. You will kiss him and kiss him and kiss him till you get tired.
Candy? I love candy. I want to kiss a boy.
You like candy? Okay, fine. Muna and Ifun, it's okay. Please go so that I will dress up and go and meet my boyfriend. Enough. Go and play. Go and play. Don't follow. It's in my room. You want to kiss your boyfriend? Do you like candy?
Hey, Blessing. Bless. Come. Come. Where did you go?
Where they go?
Yes.
Well, how it be your business?
Tell me now so that I go know what I go tell madam in case
You dey mad. Make I tell you so that you go know what you go tell madam. Something they worry you abi. Your men they do better work. They here they do this man work. Hey.
Come, Bula. See, ma, tell you, I know saying that your useless boyfriend you won't go see. Nonsense human being. Anyway, go help your ministry. But come, waiting now nonsense boyfriend get when I no get. Eh? Every time I saw you go, they just they go. You know they tire. Give me small pomo chop, you no gree. Give me small service, you no gree. God go judge you. You see all my salary wey I dey give you for this house. All the money, God go punish you. Nonsense human being. Every time you go, they go see boy.
Okay, now two of you should go to your room. Go to your room.
Baby.
Yes?
I'm not comfortable in doing this here.
Why?
The kids are still watching.
They can watch for all I care. After all, they will still do it when they are grown. So what's the difference?
No. Are you listening to yourself? Is this what you teach the children? This is unfair. In fact, I'm leaving. For the love of God, have you ever thought about what this does to these children psychologically? Blessing.
Okay, fine. Let's go to the room and continue.
No, I can't.
What?
I can't anymore. I'm leaving.
Two of you come here. Come. Kneel down. Kneel down! Muna! So, tell me, what did two of you see?
I saw you kissing your boyfriend.
You saw me kissing my boyfriend. Wait, I'm coming.
No, auntie, we saw nothing.
What did you see?
We saw nothing.
Muna, what did you see? did you see, Muna? Eh? If not, what did you see? What did you see? Muna, what did you see? You saw me kissing my boyfriend, Abby? You saw me kissing my boyfriend? Kissing, kill you there. Kissing, kill you there. See, two of you. You see this thing that happened? If your mom ask me, see this, you see this iron? You see this iron I'm holding? If I hear anything or your mom ask me anything pertaining to what just happened, you see this iron? I will plug it and use it to kill two of you and then kill your parents. Did you hear me? I will kill two of you, you two rats, and then kill your parents. Did you hear me, Funaya?
Yes, sir.
Did you hear me? Muna, did you hear me?
Yes.
You heard me. Do you want to die?
No.
Muna, do you want to die?
No.
Ifnaya, do you want to die?
No.
Do you want your parents to die?
No.
You don't want them to die, Abi? So keep your mouth shut. Because if I hear or your mom ask me anything pertaining to this, two of you, including your parents, are dead. And when I finish killing you people and your parents, I'll run away. Did you hear?
Yes.
Did you hear? Now get into your rooms. Because of children are watching, cannot do something. Just do something. Because of children are watching, cannot do anything. Let me know why I'm missing like that. I think I should go and meet to consider and come and do the job very well.
Hey, Dad, Mom.
How are you? How are you?
We are happy family now. I'm so happy Mom and Dad are home today. I will teach my friend in school that Daddy loves Mommy so much.
Of course, you know I love you, Mommy. And I love my daughter so much. And I will always be there for you anytime, any day.
Come on, girls. You know Daddy and Mommy love you, right? We are doing our very best to give you the best. We also want you to go to the best school in the country. We don't want you to suffer. Not at all.
But Mommy, we need other things.
Like what?
Like short skirts, short top, makeup and a boyfriend. You didn't mention a boyfriend. Yes, a boyfriend. Mom, Dad, we need a boyfriend.
What did you just say?
Yes, Daddy. If we wear short skirt, short top, makeup, and we look beautiful and sexy, then a boy will ask us, and if we agree, he will officially be our boy.
What the?
Mom, you're not kissable.
Shut up! Please shut up! Huh? Wait, Jesus. What is on? Where did you learn this from? Eh? Where did you learn this from? Tell me. Where? If you do not tell me right now, I will flog you. Where did you learn it from? You know? Blessing! Blessing!
Mommy, he's not Auntie Blessing.
Mommy, please leave Auntie Blessing alone.
Then who taught you? Where did you learn it from? But sweet, you ain't thing. You want to kiss a boy?
The stranger you leave your child with is not your mother, nor your sister. Do not expect much from her. It's what she has, that's what she will give. If she is rude,
Tell me the truth. Who is teaching my children about boyfriends, makeups, relationships, and skimpy wears, short skirts? No, be you.
So who then? Blessing. Who is teaching my kids all those rubbish? Who? Talk!
Honey, calm down. Blessing. If you tell me the truth, it will not be hard on you. I prefer you tell me the truth. Who is teaching my children all those rubbish?
Talk!
I don't know. Maybe it's from all those, one of those foreign movies they watch all the time on TV. I don't know. I'm not the one that's teaching them anything.
That means you've not been paying attention to what they do in this house. But that's okay. From today, my children are not allowed to watch any other program on the television except cartoon. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Blessing.
Sir.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Blessing.
Sir.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
You can go.
Get out!
Stranger, you leave your child with. It's not mother, not your sister. Do not expect much from her. It's what she has, that's what she'll give. If she is true, that will learn that, that will learn everything. Good or bad, don't cry tomorrow because it will be your mistake.
Come, blessing. This more food for me. Yeah. I don't turn this oga small children, Abi. Later now you go pack everything, all the whole food, go give that your useless boyfriend, Abi. See, I think I know what to do. Madam must hear this.
You dey craze. Hey! You dey craze. Yeah! If I hear my name for this your rubbish way they talk, you go see what I go do you. Madam must say you go no let you sabi talk. No let you sabi talk.
Blessing! You knock me!
Nonsense. In short, I don't carry this food.
Yeah. Blessing, you knock me! I will kill you today! Blessing, I will kill you today! Hey! Blessing! I will kill you! Don't worry! Hey! You don't want to go? No worry! You come my house, come get mine, play me 1-0. No worry, I go come your own house. I go come for second leg. When I come your house, I go play you 3-0. Hey! Hey! No worry. When I come your own away match, you go see. You go see what I go do you.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Sir, there is something I would like us to discuss about.
Well, as a matter of fact, I am in a rush now. I need to be somewhere. But if it's about my children, well, I don't mind because they are my first priority.
It's about your children, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
Sir, the attitude they display these days scares me. I was here last time to see you, but I met your absence. I even saw your wife in the supermarket. I tried to talk to her, but she was in a haste.
Well, I'm really sorry about that, okay? But I'm here now, so you can go ahead.
Sir, imagine if Funanya, your daughter, asking her classmate to be her boyfriend.
What?
She went as far as kissing them.
Jesus.
Muna beats her classmates, and she's becoming very stubborn these days. The only thing Ifunanya does these days is to sing all recent hip-hop songs and would react harshly to anyone who tries to stop her. This is unlike them, sir. And I believe they are getting this bad influence from somewhere.
My children?
Yes, sir. They always complain of you and your wife's absence. And I think this is affecting their academic performance.
It's okay. I have heard what you said. And I will do something about it. Sir, thank you very much for this information. I really appreciate it.
I will be glad if you and your wife do something urgently, because they will influence other pupils.
Like I said before, I heard you. And I'll do something as soon as possible to put an end to this. I'm really sorry for all these embarrassments. I'm really, really sorry about them.
Okay. I have to leave, sir.
It's okay. If you don't mind, I can drop you off on my way.
Thank you, sir. I came with the school bus.
Okay.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, I need to say.
One more thing, please. Look after those children for me.
I will say.
Thank you. Thank you. Blessing! Blessing!
Sir?
Blessing!
Sir?
Come here.
Sir?
What is this?
Jesus. Sir, I don't know.
You don't know?
Sir, I don't know. Hey. Sir, I don't know, sir. I don't know, it's not me. I don't know.
It's not you. Ah. Okay. Yeah. Daddy wants to talk to you, okay? Who are your friends in school? I mean, I don't mean Chiamaka and Jacinta. I mean, do you have new friends in school?
No, Daddy.
Are you sure?
Yes. Why do you ask?
Well, nothing. It's just that I want to know the people that my angels are moving around with in school. That's all. But it's okay since obviously there are no new friends. You can lie down and go back to sleep, okay?
Yes, Daddy.
Sorry to disturb your sleep, darling. Honey, I think we need to watch these kids closely before they turn into something else in this house. The report I got from their teacher today was quite alarming. I mean, it's not encouraging at all. But my problem now is, how do we handle this situation since both of us are very busy people?
Maybe I have noticed what you're talking about right now. Trust me. But due to my busy schedule, I can't take care of it, you know. I don't know what to do. But if you have any suggestion, trust me, I am in.
Well, I'm suggesting that one of us has to quit work stay at home and look after these kids.
And that has to be you, right? Come off it, babe. I'm sure you were not expecting me to quit my job. At least not now. Okay, why don't you find out who the bad influence is before accusing anyone?
I am suspecting our nanny. Oh yes. Because even the teacher complained about it. Our kids have not made new friends in school. I have stopped them from watching all the programs on television except cartoon. That leaves us with no other option than the nanny. See, I am very sure she's the one that is teaching them all these bad habits. All this nonsense. Because I am surprised the way they keep quiet each time they want to tell me something and the nanny appears.
Wow. Have you tried asking her?
I've asked her countless times and she keeps denying it.
Babe, we need to be sure. I'm not saying she might not be the one, but you know how hard it is for her to get a nanny out there. It is not easy at all, and I wouldn't want to lose her.
Well, I'm suggesting we put surveillance cameras in this house without the maid knowing about it. In that way, I'll be able to monitor the activities of these kids when I'm not around.
I think that is a very good idea. I am buying that. That's nice. Okay, so since we're done talking, can I at least sleep? I'm going to work tomorrow.
That's not a problem.
Good night. Oh.
Grace! 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 Who took the money I kept here?
I don't understand.
What don't you understand? Who took the money I kept here?
Babe, I did not touch your money. Maybe you should look for it very well.
How do you mean, am I blind? I've said it's not here.
What? Why are you looking at me like you suspecting me now?
Did I say that? I'm just asking you.
How much are we even talking about?
3,000 naira.
Phil, so you meant you wanted to bring down the whole house because of a mere chicken change? 3,000 naira.
Will you shut up? What's wrong with you? I left 3,000 naira here and it got lost right under my nose. And you expect me to let it pass just like that? Just because the woman of the house is such a workaholic that she has abandoned her family and her role as a mother and a wife.
Hey, Phil, I will not take this from you. Not at all. What is all this now? What has my career got to do with your missing money? Why is it that any little issue we have in this family, it has to be hinted towards my career? Why?
Are you stupid? Are you mad? Oh, I don't blame you. No, I don't blame. I blame myself because I gave you freedom. Oh yes. What do you do in this house? Nothing. Nothing. You don't take care of your children. You don't cook for me. You leave everything in the hands of the nanny. You don't even know what happens behind you just because you're stupidly busy with your stupid career.
Well, you know what, Phil? I think I know what your problem is. Today, I have found out what your issue is. You are just merely jealous of my career. Yes, perhaps because I am even better than you.
Oh, you think so?
Yes! If you do not like the way I'm running this family if you're not comfortable with the way I'm running my house. You can as well quit your job. Apply to become my nanny. I will accept you.
Will you shut up? Shut up! Shut up before I beat you blue and black. Are you stupid? What's wrong with you? Are you possessed? Have you gone mad?
Phil, I am not possessed. In fact, I am not mad. You are the one who has gone bananas because of a mere 3,000 naira.
If you dare talk to me that way again, if you try it, I will beat you blue and black.
Phil, today you will beat me red and yellow. Beat me! Beat me!
Grace,
Touch me!
Grace, you are daring me.
I am daring you. Touch me!
Grace, you are daring me.
Mr. Family Man, touch me!
Grace, you're daring me.
Touch me!
You're daring me, Grace. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
Phil, did you just lay those filthy hands of yours on me? Wait, you pushed me. But I am leaving this house for you with my kids. You can have your house to yourself. Huh?
Why are you girls eating your food so hungrily?
It's Auntie Blessing said.
What?
Mona, this is not the right time to tell Daddy. Let's enjoy our meal. Or do you want Auntie Blessing to beat us when Mom and Dad now around? Good, eat your meal.
Alright, okay. Sorry, darling, I took a call. You were trying to tell me something.
Nothing, Dad.
No, Daddy. She only wants you to buy ice cream for Auntie Blessing.
Is that?
Yes, Dad.
It's not a problem. Just eat your food, okay? I will buy ice cream.
Dad, Mom.
How are you, baby?
We are happy family now. I'm so happy Mom and Dad are home today. I will teach my friend in school that Daddy loves Mommy so much.
Of course, you know I love you, Mommy. And I love my daughter so much. And I will always be there for you anytime, any day.
Come on, girls. You know Daddy and Mommy love you, right? We are doing our very best to give you the best. We also want you to go to the best school in the country. We don't want you to suffer. Not at all.
But Mommy, we need other things.
Like what?
Like short skirts, short top, makeup and a boyfriend. You didn't mention a boyfriend. Yes, a boyfriend. Mom, Dad, we need a boyfriend.
What did you just say?
Yes, Daddy. If we wear short skirt, short top, makeup, and we look beautiful and sexy, then a boy will ask us, and if we agree, he will officially be our boyfriend.
What the?
Mommy, I want to kiss a boy.
Shut up! Will you shut up? Huh? Wait, Jesus. What is up? Where did you learn this from? Eh? Where did you learn this from? Tell me. Where? If you do not tell me right now, I will flog you. Where did you learn it from? You know, Blessing! Blessing!
Mommy, he's not Auntie Blessing.
Mommy, please leave Auntie Blessing alone.
Then who taught you? Where did you learn it from? But sweet, you ain't thing. You want to kiss a boy?
Give your children all the time they need. Don't allow them go astray with a stranger. You don't have time for your kids. You don't know what they do where you're gone. You care much. For your career, you care less. For them, your future generation, what they learn today is what they will give you tomorrow. They watch your footstep every time, dance to the sound they hear. No correction leads to destruction, corruption. Give your children all the time they need. Don't let them go astray with a stranger. Give your children all the time they need. Don't let them go astray with a stranger. The stranger you leave your child with is not your mother, nor your sister. Do not expect.
Stop looking at me. Why are you looking at me like that? Yeah, give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me. Give me your hand. Where's your auntie? Go on, give me your hand. Come you and take it out. Sound you. Come on, walk with me. Wait, when you walk, walk. Yeah. See, be swinging your waistline. Yeah. And that one's your own. One, this is standing. Yeah. Yes, and again. Come. Let's be working. If I go, Yes. Let's walk without our things watching.
You need to come home. Yes, you need to, after your work, just come home straight.
Why, honey? What's going on? Is there any problem?
Don't ask me questions. Just do as I said. Come. In fact, can you come back earlier than you used to?
Okay. Blessing, how could you? Could you be this wicked? We gave you everything. Why? Why did you do this to me, Blessing? Why?
Why are you this wicked?
Sir, it's not totally my fault. You and your wife share part of the blame.
How?
It is not your fault. So it is our fault? No, go on. You want to heap the blame on us? Blessing, I brought you to my house because of my busy schedule. We brought you to take care of our kids. What did you do? You had to teach them all those rubbish and you are here telling me it is not your fault? No! Say it to my face, it is my fault. It is my fault.
We employed you because we thought you were a good person.
Sir, that's not what I mean. Remember 6 years ago when you and your wife came to our restaurant? Your wife was heavily pregnant.
Oh, finally.
Thank you.
Okay, fine.
What the? What is this? Why the hell will you sack me with a dirty cutlery? What? How did you say that?
Madam, there's nothing wrong with this cutlery now, but no problem. If you want me to go and clean it, I'll just go and clean, but there's nothing wrong with it.
I am now blind. Or maybe my pregnancy is now affecting my eyes. You are very stupid. You are insane. You are a fool.
Madam, please, I'm not a fool. Talk to me nicely.
Will you shut up? Shut up before I shut it for you. Are you mad? If you dare that fame now, I will shut them out with this dirty slap. Who are you? How dare you argue my wife? How dare you talk like her? Who are you? Who is your father? Who is your mother? Look at this product of gonorrhea and syphilis infected spam. How dare you talk about her? Are you stupid? Is that how you do here? By the way, who is the owner of this place? Who is the manager? I want to see the manager of this place now.
What is going on here?
Can you imagine? You don't train these people? You should train your staffs.
Calm down,
You should train them. How they insult your customer? You should stupid. Who are you?
Say your staff just sacked me with a dirty cutlery.
Calm down. That's not the problem. She's insulting my wife. For what?
How would you do that?
Okay, don't worry. Take your staff to training. Let's go.
No, sir, it hasn't gotten to that. Please.
Don't worry.
Sir,
Don't worry.
Please.
Let's go to a better place. What kind of nonsense is that?
I've warned you severally on how you relate with customers here. You always claim right. For Christ's sake, customer is always right. You always want to establish how right you are. You know what? You're fired. You know how to get yourself out of these premises. Don't let me do that.
Please, I promise. Sir, please. Hey, madam. Please, madam. They want to sack me, okay? This is the only job I have, madam. Please now.
Come on, get out.
Hey, okay, please. I
Stop about that
beg
before
you now.
you
Hey,
are
madam, please. Madam, please, now I beg you.
You are smelling. You are smelling. You are smelling.
This is the only job I have, okay? Please. Okay, please. This is the only job I have, okay? Please. Okay, please. Okay, come here. Okay, please. Madam, please. I tried prostitution, but hoodlums scared me away on the very first day.
I go take out. You know the parole now. Thanks. Nice to never reach, man. Nice. Hey! Where they go?
I won't go see one man for there.
Which man?
One man.
Now, you go clear here, man. Come on. I will stand you. Leave her. Don't come back. Come back. Come back. See ya. Olodo. Oh, my now. Take grace. Olodo. Olodo like you. You want to tell me I pack this area? Now see you. Come pass now, make I see. See that girl, I see that girl this cabin. Now I pack this area. See small nyas like you. Come pass now, make I see. Now, Olodo. Now, Olodo you be I tell you. This place don't be cabin, I tell you. Now I pack this place. Come pass now, make I see you. See small nyas, you don't get big nyas self. You know fine. Leave am. No mind now. You come take our position for this our area. Now that my boy first. Now guy, they go on a beg.
Is this not this wicked man? I hope he will not recognize me. I'm fine, thank you, sir.
Can I help you?
Sir, the house help. I'm interested.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
Well, that's good. You have to come over tomorrow and meet my wife for interview.
Oh, okay. What time should I come?
Say 8 a.m.
8 a.m.
Yes.
8 a.m. Okay. Here, right?
Of course.
Okay, sir. I'll come tomorrow.
All right.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Does it mean he didn't recognize me? I wish the wife won't recognize me too, so that I will pay them back in their own coin. When your wife did not recognize me and accepted me, I decided to punish you by making sure I ruined the life of your kids. But I've repented, sir. I'm very sorry, sir. I'm very sorry.
You're sorry.
I will not do it again.
Sorry. You're sorry.
Rubbish. Nonsense.
Dad, I'm so happy Auntie Blessing has finally left us. She used to beat us every time.
Yes, Daddy. We don't need another nanny again. Muna and I can take care of ourselves and our new brother that will soon come. I will take care of them all.
Sorry, which brother are you girls talking about?
Mommy will give birth to a baby boy for us.
Yes.
It's alright, girls. Your mommy and I will give you a brother very soon.
Excuse me?
Mm-hmm.
I'm here.
But I wanted it.
I don't know what you're talking about.
But the problem here is that you have to be very strong. I mean, strong enough to take care of him.
Daddy, we are strong.
You are?
We need him now.
Oh, really? So, show me, how strong are you? Well, this is not being strong.
Then how can we be strong?
Yes, you can only be strong by bending down to read your books and make sure you come first in your class.
Is that all?
Very simple.
Consider it done.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Then consider a new brother, Don.
Babe.
Yeah, darling.
Oh.
The kids want it.
Excuse me?
Oh, we need to go to the other room.
What? I'm not going to the other room.
Oh, you are? Of course you are.
No. Hey babe.
Hi, darling.
I wanted to tell you something.
Okay.
I drafted my resignation letter. I want to submit it to my manager tomorrow.
Why? Why would you do that, babe? Come on, I know you love your job. And I would love you to keep it.
Babe, I have thought about it. And I have made up my mind. Maybe I should start up a business. I want to be self-employed. That way I would have time for my family, my kids and my husband. Babe, I can't stop blaming myself for what happened. Those kids are worth more than money. They are my life. Please.
Sweetheart, you just softened my heart with those nice words of yours. So caring, so motherly. If you've thought about this carefully, this is what you want to do. Trust me, you have my support.
Thank you. Thank you.
I love you so much.
I love you too. So, what were you doing?
I was just replaying some mails. Yes, I have a lot of mails to attend to.
Okay. So have you had something to eat?
Not really, I'm just sipping juice.
No. I'll fix you something, okay?
Alright, darling.
I'll be right back.
Okay, baby. I guess we should be thinking about baby number 3. That's why.
Give your children all the time they need. Don't let them go astray with a stranger. Give your children all the time they need. Don't let them go astray with a stranger. You don't have time for your kids. You don't know what they do when you're gone. You care much for your career, you care less for them. Your future future generation. What they learn today is what they will give you tomorrow. They watch your footstep every time, dance to the sound they hear. No correction leads to destruction, corruption. Give your children all the time they need. Don't allow them go astray with a stranger. Give your children all the time they need. Don't allow them go astray with a stranger. The stranger you leave your child with is not your mother, nor your sister. Do not expect much from her. It's what she has, that's what she will give. If she is shrewd, they will learn that. They will learn everything, good or bad. Don't cry tomorrow because it will be your mistake. Oh, 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 oh. Give them much time because children of these days, they learn so fast.